Hello, my name is Mohonta, and this is my second project I have done few hour ago. So this is a CGPA calculator or GPA calculator, you can say, and this is built up with a C# language, and I am using GUI, graphical user interface, so that is interactive software. You can calculate your GPA, and individual GPA will be included in this software, and you can easily calculate your individual GPA CGPA through this software. So I show you my software. uh, I click on run button, and here is my subject list. I have 9 subject in this course, so I put the value individually, all of the subject. Okay, so first time I suppose I got 45 in this probability and statistic, 18, 66, 75, 66 and 50, and subject are respectively 0, subjectivity 2.0, 3.0, 3.0, 1.5, 3.0, 1, sorry, advanced database management 1.5 credit. Oh no, sorry, 3.50, 3.0 and 1.5, 1.5 and 1.5. So I calculate all the, and those fields are automatically fill up when I uh, click on calculate button. So I click on calculate button, and that is my result. So for this first subject probability and statistics is uh, subject grade 3.0 and mark 4.5. So my grade is C, and theory of competition A plus. According to the mark, it's showing the grade and point also, and total average is 67, and total mark is 604, CGPA 3.25, grade A plus. So that is the CGPA calculator. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.